everyone and we are back the Thakkars। और आज हम आपको एक ऐसी शॉप दिखाने वाले हैं मथुरा में विच इज़ जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू मथुरा टैक्सी स्टैंड। जैसे आप मथुरा एंटर करते हैं वहाँ पे ही ये शॉप है, इट्स कॉल्ड अल फहीम। और यहाँ मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि यहाँ पे जो सामान मिलता है कितना चीप है और कितने वैरायटीज़ है यहाँ पे, एंड द क्वालिटी इज़ ऑल्सो अमेजिंग। 1 time wear, 2 time wear, 3 time wear, you just come shop here, it is amazing and this is one of its kind in मथुरा। जैसे आप मथुरा एंटर करते हैं ये शॉप है, तो चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलता है।
Let's get started.
दिस इज़ द विंटर वेयर कलेक्शन विच इज़ ओनली 2.5 रियाल। यहाँ पे आपको इतने सारे जैकेट्स मिलेंगे। दिस इज़ ओनली 2.5 रियाल और यहाँ पे इतनी सारी बहुत सी वैरायटीज़ है। Then there is this jacket, these all are boys jacket and you see everything is 2.5 रियाल। If you are lucky you will get your size and you will get the color you want, but see the varieties they have and even this is only 2.5। It's very classy, very unique and अमेजिंग। वैसे यहाँ पे बहुत सारी वैरायटीज़ है और बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स जैकेट है एंड दिस इज़ ऑल ओनली वर्थ 2.5। आइए और दिखाते हैं आपको कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या है। यहाँ पे डबल बेड शीट्स है विच आर 3.5 OMR। दीज आर डबल बेड शीट्स विद 2 पिलो कवर्स एंड कॉटन टच। दिस इज़ ओनली 3.5 OMR। और यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे इतनी वैरायटीज़ है उनके पास, 3.5 to 3.8। This is the bed sheets they have, and then they also have single bed sheets which is only 2 riyal, or we have purchased many of them, so this is one of it which is only 2 riyals। And there are some bed sheets which are 1.5 OMR only। These are single bed sheets, so these are single bed sheets which are 1.5 OMR only। और ये बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी के बेडशीट्स है एंड इट इज़ अमेजिंग। यहाँ पे और भी चीज़ें हैं विच आई विल शो यू। यहाँ पे ये क्या है, टावल्स है, टावल्स है। दीज आर द टावल्स विच आर अगेन 1.5 OMR ओनली। और यहाँ पे ब्लैंकेट्स भी है, सॉक्स है एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ 1.5 और अप टू 1 रियाल ओनली। These are the blankets they have। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी varieties है of blankets as well, and there are more things। Now this is something you have seen, 500 paisa only। These are the shirts which are of 500 paisa only। I don't know how they can afford, but yes, this all varieties of shirts are there। It's nicely spread and it is only 500 paisa। And there are lots of kids wear as well। This is only 1.5 full set of kids t-shirts and track pants। This is all 1.5। You get to choose from lot of things which are available which fits your kid। If you're lucky one you will get it। And again these t-shirts are only 500 paisa। You know हम लोग जब बाहर जाते हैं खेलने के लिए, when your kids are going, this is only 500 paisa and it is worth every penny। You see the quality is also so good, the design is amazing and 500 paisa is nothing, you know। So if you come here please do visit। और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी varieties है। I don't want to open all, but how much ever I can I'm opening and showing it to you। This is again only 500 paisa and there are some shirts, t-shirts which are 1.5 और यहाँ पे पूरा उनका स्प्रेड है। This is 1.5 guys। So if you have your kid who is maybe 10 years, 12 years, this is only 1.5 and it looks very awesome। The touch, the feel is amazing। और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे दूसरे कलर्स भी है and men's wear है। And then again these are the t-shirts which we wear it in the house, you know, घर के लिए comfort wear। This is only 1 रियाल t-shirts। और बहुत सारी अलग अलग, ऐसा नहीं है कि you know you buy one and you will get same thing again, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। If you're lucky one you get the best piece। all pieces are best, but the design I'm saying, you get what you want, what you like. This is all 1 riyal and it is worth wearing even for an outing. I am sure this looks really good and 1 riyal is nothing to ask for. And और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. There are track pants which are 1 riyal. Now this is a track pant which is 1 riyal. That's it. So you can see the spread over here. Come choose for yourself. This is again a 1 riyal track pant. So there is nothing of your loss over here. And यहाँ पे नाइटीज़ भी है, नाइट वेयर भी है और किड्स के कपड़े भी है. These are the kids night wear and these also are some t-shirts which they have, which ranges to 500 paisa only. This is, guys, this is only 500 paisa. If it fitted me, I would have taken it, but it's for a thinner version and this is only 500 paisa. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. And again, I wanted to show you these track pants. This is a whole lot of bunch which is kept and it is 1.5 OMR only. This is 1.5. और वैसी काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं इनके पास. So do visit this store. And एक और एक section है which we want to show it to you, which is shoes है. यहाँ पे they have varieties of shoes which ranges from 2.5 to 3.6 and yeah, I am wearing one of them. I just bought it and it is so comfortable. It is really comfortable. Or these are the varieties of shoes they have and this is only 3.6 and each price is different, but it is not more than 3.6, I am sure. And these slippers which you are seeing down, भैया ये कितने का है? हाँ, 500. Okay. Now see these ones are only 500 paisa. So if your boy is crazy about Spider-Man, this is only 500 paisa. और यहाँ पे बहुत सारी size भी है available. So if you are the lucky bee, you can get. And these slippers are also only 500 paisa. These ones are also 500 paisa. And then, so this is the footwear which they have, and then they have curtains over here. This curtains, ये लंबे है या short है? लंबा.
140 by 240.
This one, ये 140 by 240 centimeters के curtains है, which is 2.7 OMR. I think यहाँ पे सारे curtains are 160 by 270 is also 2.7. So these are long door length curtains which are only 2.7 OMR, which is amazing. और यहाँ पे कुछ fancy dresses भी है which is not more than 3 riyals or so. You can see these. This is nothing wrong in, you know, wearing it in the house or maybe a small outing somewhere. So these all are the pretty wears they have. And let's see what else is there.
मटेरियल कौन सा?
सब. और ये क्या लेंथ है?
160 to 230.
हाँ,
160 by 230.
okay. ये जो carpets है, this is 160 by 230 length और this is 6.5 रियाल्स का. और देखिए इनके पास बहुत varieties है. 6.5 OMR 160 by 230 के carpets है, which is beautiful color. Just come close now, just show them. See, this is only 6.5 OMR and these are the carpets, the colors. This is 6.5 only. बहुत सारे colors है यहाँ. छोटे carpets है, बड़े carpets है, blankets है, which are not ranging more than even 6 riyals. It is amazing. और यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो everything is 500 paisa, 800 paisa, 2.5, 3 riyals. So do visit Al Fahim, which is exactly behind Matra taxi stand. जब आप Matra enter करोगे आपको ये बोर्ड दिख जाएगा. So do visit them and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं होता कि बड़े मॉल्स में ही अच्छी चीज़ें मिल जाती है. कभी कभार इन शॉप्स पे भी विजिट कीजिए एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल फाइंड द मोस्ट अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड
Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Thakkavar.
thank you for watching and please do not forget to subscribe and do visit this store. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.